Leap up to 1800. Let's do it. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 5. Top is Chuck Norris all the way down to Christy Swanson. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. All right. Good luck, everybody. We have Kelsey Grammer. I do not know what to do with this tossed salad and scrambled eggs. And Dana Barron. All right. Dan Lauria. Tom Berenger from Platoon. Dan numbered 1620. Berenger 103. Ralph Carter. What the hell? That's sick. Guy Gilchrist, 14 of 100, and check out the sketch. Is Guy Gilchrist not on the list? Oh wow, there you go. It must be like a secret edition. All right. Ralph, who's got big Ralph Carter? 195. Joshua Lawson. That is a 1-of-1 Ralph Carter. Josh, what is I'm sure you've looked him up. See it for a look. Ralph Carter. Berenger. Tom Berenger. Yep. 141. Adam Romano. Dan Lauria. 154. Andrew Ramos. Dana Barone, 6. Jackson Loncar. Birdiforum. And Kelsey Grammer, 133. Nathaniel Davidson. All right, somebody's about to walk away with this beautiful sketch from Guy Gilchrist, one of the late additions, obviously, to the set. This is not even on the checklist. One more time, here we go. Whoever's on top of this last spin is going to be the one who walks away with it. Whichever character, whichever artist, whichever person walks away with this amazing Guy Gilchrist. One time the winner is Fran Tarkenton. 6 times, Big Franny. Fran. 255. Billy Drinkwater, congratulations. Good advice. All right.